Portland approach Alaska 1282, emergency aircraft now leveling 12,000 and a left turn heading 340.
Alaska 1282, phone approach, good afternoon. You still have information Zulu?
Yeah, we do have information Zulu. We'd like to get lower if possible.
Alaska 1282, just going to maintain 7,000.
Just going to maintain 7,000, Alaska 1282.
Alaska 1282, did you declare an emergency or just need to return to?
Yes, we are emergency. We are depressurized. We do need to return back to. We have 177 passengers. Fuel is 18.8. Our fuel is 18,900 pounds, and we have 177 passengers on board.
Alaska 1282, Roger. And do you need time to burn off some fuel before you land?
Negative.
Alaska 1282, so you're ready for the approach now? You need 28 left, okay?
We need about 10 minutes for Alaska 1282.
Alaska 1282, Roger. Just let me know when you're ready.
We'll let you know, Alaska 1282.
That was coming in a little bit unreadable, very quiet. Phone took 85. The only information we have is a pressurization issue, and 177 passengers, 18,900 pounds of fuel, and as of right now, we do not know the intentions of the aircraft. Phone took 85, copy y'all. The emergency aircraft will be the next arrival. They are on a 2-mile final, and you can expect access to the runway after they land.